Handling errors in Bill.com API documentation is crucial to ensure seamless integration and efficient troubleshooting. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to handle errors effectively. First, understand the error response format used by Bill.com API. The API returns error responses in JSON format, containing error codes, messages, and other relevant details. Familiarize yourself with the error code list provided in the Bill.com API documentation to identify and resolve errors quickly. To handle errors, start by checking the HTTP status code returned in the response. Status codes like 200 indicate success, while 4XX or 5XX codes indicate errors. Inspect the response body for error details, including the error code, message, and any additional information. Next, implement error handling mechanisms in your code. Use try-catch blocks to catch and handle exceptions raised by the API. Log error responses for auditing and debugging purposes. Analyze error patterns to identify recurring issues and optimize your integration accordingly. Best practices for handling errors in Bill.com API include validating user input to prevent errors, implementing retry logic for transient errors, and monitoring API usage to detect potential issues. Regularly review the Bill.com API documentation for updates on error handling and new error codes. Practical examples of error handling include catching authentication errors by checking the error code and redirecting users to the login page, or handling validation errors by displaying error messages to users. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently handle errors in Bill.com API and provide a better user experience. In summary, handling errors in Bill.com API documentation requires understanding error response formats, implementing error handling mechanisms, and following best practices. By doing so, you can ensure a robust and reliable integration with the Bill.com API.